Which product would you recommend for foundation then?
ये जो मैं लोगों को देखती हूँ ऐसे फाउंडेशन बॉटल्स लेके
Yeah.
ऐसे ऐसे टप टप करते रहते हैं, that's
How does one decide मेरा न्यूट्रल टोन है या मेरा वार्म टोन है या मेरा कूल टोन स्किन है कि मैं वैसा फाउंडेशन ले सकूं?
अगर आपकी ब्लू एंड ग्रीन वेन्स हैं तो आप न्यूट्रल हैं, अगर आपकी ब्लू वेन्स हैं तो यू आर कूल, इफ यू आर जस्ट ग्रीन यू आर मोर वार्म.
What's a suggestion for dry skin and oily skin जब मेकअप करने की बात आती है?
Most women are using the wrong shades. They're using shades lighter than their complexions.
What is your take on blush blindness then?
लाल टमाटर ऐसा लगता है जुकाम हो गया है.
What is the correct way to apply blush?
बेसिकली पता नहीं चलना चाहिए कि कहाँ स्किन खत्म हुई, कहाँ लाइट ब्लश स्टार्ट हुआ and how it beautifully blends up into the darker blush. You know, and of course you have to use the right shade for it as well.
Okay, blush का भी shade right होना चाहिए. How do you know that? Who should go for a peach blush? Who should go for a pink blush? And who should go for a dark reddish blush? What is that one makeup product that is always in your bag? I'm going to come very straight at you with this question. Is what are your 3 tips for flawless makeup?
So, if I have to really say, firstly, I'll say use the right colors. Most women are using the wrong shades. They're using shades lighter than their complexions. If you're using shades lighter than their complexion, you can keep working for the next 2 hours. You will never look right. Use the right shades, the right undertones. You know, everybody does not need the glow. I mean, it really depends how oily, how and particularly textured skin खुशी. Texture तो अच्छी skin के ऊपर भी bumpiness है. बहुत normal है. Right? If you're going to apply so much of shimmer, so much of illuminator, so much of highlighter, everything is not for everyone.
Yeah.
So understanding कि क्या नहीं लगाना है या कहाँ पर रुकना है. Actually, the word is कहाँ
कहाँ पर
पर
रुकना
रुकना है. कि ठीक है वो उस इन्फ्लुएंसर या उस आर्टिस्ट के ऊपर इंस्टाग्राम पे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था, बट इज दैट फॉर यू?
No.
No. Also, you know, most of these reels that we see with international artists, please understand their technique. उनके स्किन पे most of them have very mild dark circles, zero to no pigmentation or discoloration. जो हमारे इंडियंस में होती है, we have discoloration here, we have discoloration here,
Yeah.
we have discoloration here, and we have dark circles as well. So आप सोचो, most of our face is discolored. Now what those guys do is they pick up a foundation which is 3-4 shades darker than their complexion. That वो shades जैसे ही 4 shades darker pick करते हैं, उनकी skin पे जो छोटा सा भी दाना होता है सब कुछ छुप जाता है. But that does not work with us. Why? Because that lighter color foundation that and हम लोग क्या करते हैं? We pick up a lighter foundation and we apply it. The moment you apply it, ये जो आपकी pigmentation यहाँ पर है, यहाँ पर है, यहाँ पर है, it all turns grey. And the moment it turns grey, I'm not kidding, you look ashy, you look like a ghost.
The solution is color correction.
Solution is color correction for some people. For certain people, it will also have to be color correction with a little bit of darker concealer. A little bit of layering will have to be done, Khushi.
How do you get that? How do you decide it?
So this will really depend on how dark the problem area is. So using a color, the right shade of color corrector also, whether you have to use peach or a slightly darker color or even a darker color. You know, knowing that also when you apply the darker concealer, your darker concealer should be darker than the problem areas on your face.
अच्छा.
And उसके ऊपर you have to apply a lighter color.
Lighter one.
Now see here, इसी 3 स्टेप तो मैंने अभी आपको बता दिए. कलर करेक्टर, डार्क कंसीलर, लाइट कंसीलर. चौथा प्रोडक्ट आ गया फाउंडेशन. 5वां प्रोडक्ट आ गया पाउडर.
Powder.
सो आप देखो कितनी लेयरिंग है. सो ऑब्वियसली कंट्रोल्ड क्वांटिटीज, अप्लाइंग इट द राइट वे. ये जो मैं लोगों को देखती हूँ ऐसे फाउंडेशन बॉटल्स लेके
Yeah.
ऐसे ऐसे टप टप करते रहते, दैट्स नॉट राइट इन सो मेनी वेज.
कितना फाउंडेशन राइट होता है एक फेस के
So if I get really good skin, like for me, Khushi, you have beautiful skin,
थैंक यू.
right? I'll just use one drop.
One drop.
One
That's
drop,
it?
yes. Because नीचे concealer है, ऊपर concealer है, वो भी तो है.
Okay.
You know, I might take a drop and a half if I want to even cover your neck or whatever little areas that's showing around, but ideally not more than that.
What's the ideal way of blending the whole skin?
So मुझे लगता है ideal way is beauty blenders directly नहीं लगाने चाहिए. मुझे लगता है जब आप प्रोडक्ट ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से उठाते हो, जैसे ही आप उसको ऐसे पैट करते हो आधा प्रोडक्ट तो आपका ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर खा जाता है. ठीक है. सो द फर्स्ट वे टू डू इज टू गेट द प्रोडक्ट ऑन द बैक ऑफ योर हैंड. इन फैक्ट आई डोंट इवन रेकमेंड यूजिंग द वॉन्ड. आप सोचो जब आपका प्रोडक्ट एकदम फ्रेश और नया होता है और आप अपना जो वॉन्ड निकालते हो उसके ऊपर कितना सारा प्रोडक्ट होता है, एंड यू जस्ट गो हेड एंड अप्लाई दैट. इवन दैट इज नॉट नीडेड. So I recommend putting it on the back of your hand, picking it up on a brush, applying it जितना ज़रूरी है, and then building on it if needed.
With brush or blender?
With a brush. And then once you're done with your brushes, then I recommend कि एक damn beauty blender लेके हल्के से pat करिए so that you can pick up extra if needed.
Okay, तो पहले ब्रश यूज करो, उतना प्रोडक्ट लगाओ जितना ज़रूरी है ब्रश से, एंड देन ब्लेंडर से जस्ट ब्लेंड इट वेरी जेंटली.
Gently, like don't like
Yeah.
like you know the whole idea is to just kind of push and press it into place. अगर आपके rushed application में brush के कोई strokes हैं, it will just take care of all of it. And then of course you need to set it with a little bit of powder.
I have one very personal question. I think ये confusion बहुत लोगों के दिमाग में होगी. फाउंडेशंस में ना न्यूट्रल टोन, कूल टोन, वार्म टोन आते हैं. अगर आप मैक का लेने जाओ वहाँ पे न्यूट्रल, वार्म, कूल सारे शेड्स मिलते हैं. तो हाउ डज वन डिसाइड मेरा न्यूट्रल टोन है या मेरा वार्म टोन है या मेरा कूल टोन स्किन है कि मैं वैसा फाउंडेशन ले सकूँ?
So if you are cool tone, clearly आप दूर से पिंक दिखोगे, which most of us Indians don't look. We all have a slight yellow, pale yellow. Certain people also have a little peachy undertone. Some people have a little greenish hue. The moment आपकी greenish hue है, you are an olive skin tone.
अच्छा.
Right? Warm tones will be very, very evidently yellow. Right? And for people who don't look either too pink or too warm, they are the ones who are actually neutrals.
Neutral.
Now there are other ways, like you know old school तरीका होता था कि जहाँ पर हम veins देखते थे कि अगर आपकी blue and green veins हैं तो आप neutral हैं. अगर आपकी blue veins हैं तो you are cool. If you're just green, you're more warm. But right, with so many makeup products and everything, it's just getting more and more complicated.
So how do you decide? You just look at them and you know?
So I'll be very honest. Now I can just look at you and tell you what you are.
What am I?
You're a neutral.
Neutral? Oh, thank God I use neutral. That's good. चलो अच्छा है ये तो. But that I think a lot of confusion has been busted here. मैं इतने सारे रील्स देखती थी वार्म कूल के, न्यूट्रल के, बट समझ नहीं आता था मैं डिसाइड कैसे करूँ. आई थिंक उसी पे आपका आई शैडो भी बहुत डिपेंड करता है और आपके क्लोथ्स भी.
Absolutely. What colors you wear will change how your complexion looks.
कैन यू टेल वार्म, कूल या न्यूट्रल टोन्स पे कौन कौन से कलर बेस्ट सूट करते हैं?
So people who are cool undertones, उनके ऊपर pastels, light pink, salmon pink, light green, butter yellow, powder blue, these colors look very good on them.
Okay.
They should stay away from very harsh colors like
red. Yeah.
like red, maroon, like electric blues and everything. They should stay away from those colors. Jitne lighter pastel colors hain, they look fantastic on them. Also like very cool tone pink colors and everything, they look fabulous on them. Right? For people who are warm tone, I would recommend more of a lot of jewel tones. So when I say jewel tones, I'm talking about emerald and electric blue and royal blue, burgundy. Red may be more like a deeper wine red.
Nice, that's interesting.
Yeah. Also, those complexions look great, but you have to know which cream looks good on you. Is it more like cream? Maybe that you go into this whole beige and then you go into the whole taupe family and everything. So I do feel that the moment you wear the color, you know whether you own the color or the color owns you. You should own the color.
Okay. What's your suggestion for dry skin and oily skin जब makeup करने की बात आती है?
So people with oily skin will have to stick to matte formulas.
Okay.
Powder is their best friend.
Yeah.
And they should also keep a little bit of some blotting sheets in their bag at all times.
Okay.
Also invest in like a mattifying spray right at the end. They should not overhydrate the skin. But at the same time, I see a lot of oily skin people not hydrate the skin at all.
Yeah, that's a thing.
In fact, that is so wrong. आपको पता है कि जिनों की skin oily होती है, it throws out more oil because they do not give it anything. The moment you start hydrating oily skin with the right kind of products, even I'm not saying it stops it, but it does control it a little bit. So yes, oily skin people sticking to mild hydration, they could be using something more gel based instead of the regular emollients, the heavy creams and everything. They should stay away from that. For dry skin people, you should be using. I'm super dry skin. I'm like so dry,
Same.
like you cannot imagine.
Same.
So like for me, I live in face oils. I apply moisturizer as well. I apply a hydrating serum as well. But at the same time, can I do this all year long? No, but because like अभी तक तो मेरे को पसीना नहीं आता है, पर अगस्त आते ही I am like a sweaty person, right? So again in August, my whole skin prep changes because of that. So also understanding कि कब क्या करना
क्या
है.
सूट करता है.
एक और चीज़ लाइक यू नो आजकल जब आप मेकअप ट्यूटोरियल्स देखते हो आप देखोगे कि ये भी लगा दो वो भी लगा दो. ठीक है विंटर्स में चलता है यू नो बट यू कांट बी डूइंग दैट ऑल ईयर.
You can't.
यू कांट.
And it looks so aesthetic. The skincare before the makeup.
स्किन केयर बिफोर मेकअप आई नो इट जस्ट लुक्स सो गुड यू नो वो रेड लाइट वॉन्ड लगाना है एंड एवरीथिंग को क्लाइंट टाइम ही कहाँ देते हैं. वी आर ऑलवेज शी इज ऑलवेज लेट. आई थिंक मे बी आई गेट 5 brides in a year जिनको तसल्ली से रेडी होना है, who's very calm and very composed and everything, who wants to enjoy the whole process of makeup also. Rest everybody is exhausted, tired, overworked, high on emotions, having major FOMO of missing out what's happening outside that room.
What's your go-to makeup product? Like that, what is that one makeup product that is always in your bag?
MAC concealers.
MAC concealers. They're good.
Amazing.
The new ones.
So I will not say about the new ones. I'll just say in terms of more of the color range. So आजकल MAC is majorly reviving itself, you know, like in. So when I started out, MAC was the thing.
The thing, yeah.
The thing. So people, anybody who started out more than 15, 18, 20 years ago, it was only MAC for us, right? And now I'm so glad they are reviving themselves because I'm a complete MAC fan and I'm so happy. And the colors they have for concealing, nobody can beat them.
I think they have a shade for everybody.
They have a shade for
That is the
everyone.
only brand jo itne shades.
I'm not talking
range.
about their foundations. I'm particularly talking only about their concealer shades.
Which product would you recommend for foundation then?
I am absolutely in love with Dior Backstage foundation. Love it.
Is it good for dry, oily, both skins?
So it's good for everybody. It's good for all age groups, for everyone. It's got a semi-matte finish. It's not overly glowy. So in case you like it overly glowy, you will have to do a little bit of the strobe cream or illuminators or glow on top. But it is that foundation that just works so beautifully. It's long-lasting. It's amazing, like 10 on 10.
What is that one palette, eyeshadow palette that you would recommend everybody to have?
Oh my god, that's going to be a tough one.
That has all the major shades.
So I will say currently I'm obsessed with the Mario Ethereal Eyes palette. Absolutely love it. Highly recommend. However, having said that, those colors won't work for somebody who's excessively warm in complexion. However, what a beautiful palette.
Okay. What is your take on blush blindness then? Because people are applying blush like anything. लाल टमाटर बन जाते हैं.
लाल टमाटर ऐसा लगता है जुकाम हो गया है. So I'm okay with it, but I still kind of control it a little bit. I'm still not giving in to. I still don't apply it on the nose.
You don't?
I don't. No, still
What
don't.
is the correct way to apply blush?
So खुशी पे तो मुझे क्या लगता है? All women like to look thinner and chiseled.
Exactly. Yeah.
Even the skinniest woman likes to look
Yeah.
skinnier than what she is. So my personal preference is darker application of blush here with lighter. So starting with the lighter and going darker
With the shade.
with the shade. So I never really apply one color. My darker color is always peachy. And I use the lighter color just to create a beautiful gradient. Basically पता नहीं चलना चाहिए कि कहाँ skin ख़त्म हुई, कहाँ light blush start हुआ and how it beautifully blends up into the darker blush. मुझे ये भी लगता है that darker blush ना आपके chisel को थोड़ा सा और it just kind of enhances it a little bit more. You know, and of course you have to use the right shade for it as well.
Okay, blush का भी shade right होना चाहिए. How do you know that?
This will vary from person to person, complexion to complexion, undertones as well.
Who should go for a peach blush, who should go for a pink blush, and who should go for a dark reddish blush?
So the reddish blush is clearly for women with color, women who've got a lot of melanin in their skin, basically
Dark skin.
deeper Indian skin tones. I'm talking about women who are deeper than NC42, NC43,
ठीक है.
right? And so I'll be very honest, pink peach will look good on you also, will look good on me also.
So medium skin tone.
Here comes in your color aesthetic, कि आपके eyes पे क्या colors आपने use करे हैं, आप outfit कौन सा पहन रहे हो. Now if you're wearing a pink outfit, obviously your blush has to be pink.
Okay. And what about the very light peaches shade? वो किसको लगाना चाहिए?
So again, I mean, it'll work. Look, light peaches and pinks, they look good on anyone, right from us to people who are lighter, even people who are slightly darker. It's just that the peach for them will become a little darker. For us, it can stay medium and we can go even a little lighter. And of course, मेरे लिए color aesthetics, you know. Now, if I'm doing, like, say for example, if I'm doing a red bride, if I've done red bride, the typical classic eye that we do on a red bride is gold with brown, right? And if I'm giving her, now with red color aesthetic, I like to use more of a coral peach blush,
Yeah.
right? I only use pink on a red bride if the outfit has pink accents on it,
Okay.
right? So I will not use a pink with somebody who's wearing a red lehenga, ideally.
I think there was one viral trend that I want to talk about is the Tir foundation, cushion foundation. इतना viral हुआ था वो हर influencer के हाथ में था. Did you like it? You did not? Why?
Hated it.
Why?
एक तो it ran too yellow. The shades were too, the undertone mostly were too yellow.
Because they had
and
so many shades as
also
well.
the thing is, see, as a makeup artist, मैं तो वो same चीज़ किसी client के ऊपर लगाती नहीं हूँ. You know, if I have to take a cushion foundation and apply it with a, I can't pour it out on my hand. So for me, also using it practically as a makeup artist on a client was out of question.
Yeah.
And see, the thing is, Khushi, please understand, anything that you see in every reel, every makeup artist talk about, you know, the brand has just spent a lot of money on their marketing. Having said that, I use a lot of other Twitter products. Like, I'm a big fan of the Milky toners. Oh my god, it's become a part of my personal skincare regimen. I started using it on my brides as well. So वही हर चीज़ नहीं अच्छी होती है.
I want to know your skincare. What's your skincare routine looks like?
So currently my skincare routine is एक तो मैं sunblock रोज लगाती हूँ, right? I'm using one from Laneige. Next, for my cleaning currently I'm using the Kiko micellar water. Also, otherwise for cleaning, I like to use the Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. Highly recommend it for anybody who's got dry skin because it hydrates your skin as well. So my step one is always going to be a few drops of face oil.
Okay.
I use an argan face oil. You can use anything. Uske baad, I apply a milky toner from Titter. In fact, I'm applying the Titter milky toner these days. Sunblock is always a part of it. I'm using Laneige these days. At night, the only thing that goes missing from this is the sunblock at night. And apart from that, I'm using a TRX solution from The Ordinary for my brown spots and slight pigmentation that I have on the sides of my cheeks. I top it up with the peptide cream from Anua.
Okay.
This is what I'm doing at night at the moment.
I think I would copy your skincare because you told me you have a dry skin. I also have very dry skin. I would really like to try all these.
I always say, please, एक dermatologist को चक्कर ज़रूर काट के आओ.
But they won't suggest all these products.
I know, the whole
Yeah.
K beauty thing. So yeah, then you'll have to be prepared for what if it does not work for you. Because what works for me essentially might not work for you.
अगर आपको ये क्लिप पसंद आई हो हमारे पॉडकास्ट में से तो नमन टॉक्स पॉडकास्ट चैनल पे रोज आपके लिए स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक पे नई क्लिप आएगी. रोज कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा, रोज कुछ हेल्पफुल टिप मिलेगी. तो देखना मत भूलिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा.